Hello, I'm Sherry. I'm the Moonlight Crafter. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the 5 new in colors that Stampin' Up! Just released. So I feel like our last video was really long, and so I decided I was going to have a short video for you guys. So Stampin' Up! Just released our brand new in colors, and I love when they do this because it's a refresh of 5 new colors that we get to keep for 2 years, in addition to all of our other standard wonderful colors that we have. They don't take anything away other than the in colors that we just lost. The 5 come in and 5 go out. So without further ado, we have Just Jade, Magenta Madness, Cinnamon Cider, and Bumblebee. Aren't these cute colors? And these are the 5 cards that I've made, but today I'm just going to make this simple and easy quick card so you guys can see that sometimes making a card, and you need one right now, can be as simple as just sitting down real quick and making a card. And I'm going to use the Just Jade color. It is beautiful. It is a muted green, and it goes really, really well with the shaded spruce, which is a really deep green that we have. And so I'm going to be stamping shaded spruce on a Just Jade card base. And that's what we're going to do. I've got my card base. Now, wait till you see. Stampin' Up! Released brand new something called Forever Gold Specialty Designer Series paper. And normally I will purchase these things, but I never get them out because they're too beautiful. And I said to myself, I'm not doing it this time. I'm gonna get these things out and I'm gonna play with them, and I am so glad I did. Look at this beautiful gold foil leaf. There's a whole package of all kinds of different gold foiled elements for you to use in this package. And so in this particular one, I'm just going to use the gold leaf. But there are, I've already used some. There's so many leaves and backgrounds for cards in here. And they are delicate, yet I would say pretty durable. So here's this gold leaf that I'm going to use, and they are pre-cut out, so all you have to do is just release them from the paper backing here. There it is. It is beautiful. And at first I just laid it on the paper, and I was going to do that, but I thought, you know what, we can step it up a little bit. So I'm taking my shaded spruce and the brand new Forever Fern stamp set. It has some beautiful leaves, some really neat sentiments, and I love it when they put little things in here, little background stamps. So they've got these dots. So we're going to use those. And I'm just going to stamp from edge to edge a little bit with some of these dots in kind of a random pattern. Now it's a very small stamp, so be careful you don't put too much pressure down. Anytime you have a very small stamp, you could easily get ink everywhere if you're not careful. And you can see I'm just going across the card base. I'm not going everywhere. There, I pushed a little too hard. I got a little edging there. And you can turn the stamp so that every time you stamp is not the same exact pattern. Okay, just like that. I just want it across my card base. Oh, and then I'm also going to stamp in Shaded Spruce this sentiment, and it says, "To a friend that makes me smile." And I have a lot of friends that make me smile. A lot of you make me smile. This is a perfect sentiment. And I love this brand new set of dies that came out. This is Tasteful Labels dies, and not only are some of them stitched, but some of them have like a double line. So let's see if I can explain this. It's got like an edging, 2 lines, the edge around the outside, if that makes sense. It just gives it some texture and it makes it look really cute. You'd have to see it up close. Oh, that's not the one I'm using. This one here. Here we go. This is the one I'm going to use. Got my little piece of white. To a friend that makes me smile. Because aren't we all blessed that we have friends that make us smile? I love these sentiments. They are so true. I'm gonna run that through my Big Shot, which, speaking of the Big Shot, have you heard about our brand new die cut and embossing machines that were just released on Stampin' Up? As soon as I can get my hands on one, I will show you that machine. In the meantime, I'm gonna use my trusty Big Shot. And there it is. It's got this nice little line edging around it. It's a beautiful shape. Gives it some character. Okay, so then I'm going to take our matching ribbon. It says it's polyester ribbon. It's really soft and very pliable. So I'm gonna do it here so you can see it. And it matches the in color. So this is just Jade. And I took about 10.5 inches, and I'm going to squiggle this back and forth back behind my sentiment using my pop dots. I'm gonna put them everywhere. It's funny, you guys, sometimes when I make a video, I find that my garbage can is not here because I share a room with my stepdaughter in her studying room, and so sometimes I just have to drop these on the floor. I just think it's kind of funny, and I thought I would share that with you. So then I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna squiggle it back and forth randomly. I want it to stick out. But I want to save enough of the pop dot, enough the dimensional that it's still sticky, and I can use that to stick to my project. But before I do that, I'm going to put my leaf down from edge to edge. So one direction I did my stamping, the other direction I'm doing my leaf, and I'm just going to use my liquid glue. And I just found it was easiest for me to just dot little sections of the leaf. It doesn't have to be everywhere, and your fine point glue would be great here. But I found that if I just got a little bit in some of these bigger leaves, it would stick just fine. Don't drop it on your project. And then there we go, leaf to edge. And I like to take the back of something, push down on that. I don't want to get glue all over my project or me. Okay. Simple card to a friend that makes me smile. I'm just gonna put this right on the edge. And ta-da, there we go. That is your first look at the in colors in Just Jade. I hope you enjoyed that showcasing of the brand new in colors using Just Jade. I have 4 more quick and easy tutorials. Check out my other videos. And remember to subscribe. Hit the notification bell and it will let you know the next time my video pops up. Thank you so much and have a wonderful night.